Welcome to the project demonstration of power grid failure detection based on sensing frequency, voltage, current and temperature with SMS. So the main application of this project is we are going to monitor the voltage, current and frequency temperatures continuously with help of the microcontroller, and whenever the abnormality detected, the system will send the message alerts by using this GSM module. So the major components, we are using the 3 potentiometers. In that, these two are used to measure and vary the voltage and current purpose. And coming to the frequency varying purpose, we are making use of this potentiometer. By varying the resistance values, we are going to change the frequency using this 555 timer IC circuits. And the variable frequency is input to the microcontroller, and the temperature sensor is continuously monitor the temperature in power grid stations. So in the grid stations, mainly we need to monitor the major components like voltage, current, frequency and temperature of the grid station. And whenever the abnormality detected, the system will provide the visual alert on the LCD screen, and also it will send the message alert to the registered phone number through this GSM module. And next, it will isolate the power supply to the output side with help of this electromagnetic relay, which was connected to the bulb, which was representing as a circuit breaker. So these are the main features of the project. To execute these features, mainly we are using the microcontroller, which is mainly controlling the input modules like temperature sensor and variable resistors for varying the voltage, current and frequency. And next, output module is like GSM module and LCD display, as well as electromagnetic relay, which is used to control the circuit breaker operation. So these are the main input output modules of our project. Coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced the 3 potentiometer at A0, A1, A2, A3 for the temperature sensor, and based on this input it will control the output module C7 to the relay, and B2 to B7 for the LCD screen, B0, B1 for this GSM module. And these are the main interfacing connections, circuit connections. And to execute this, we are going to provide the 230 volts AC input, and that is the main input to this regulated power supply board, as it has the 4 stages, that is the transformation and rectification, filtration and regulation. Transformation to step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, and rectification to convert the AC to pulsating DC. Filter will make that pulsating DC a pure DC voltage, and regulation will regulate this 12 volts DC which is coming out from the filter to the 5 volts of DC. So that is the output of 5 volts DC is main operating voltage to our whole electronic component for the monitoring purpose. So let us check the demonstration. So before demonstration, the very first step is we need to insert a valid SIM card into the system. Okay, so this is GSM module. So push to lock and push to unlock here. Okay, so the SIM card, so it should be in this manner. Use Airtel or VI other than Jio. So once the SIM card got locked into the system, now we can on the power supply to this. And it's mainly, it should have the SMS balance or main balance particularly. So right, when you on the power supply, a welcome message displayed on the LCD screen, and after that, so wait till here, you can see the light is blinking very fast initially, this particular light on the GSM module. So right now it is slow down. So after this slowdown only, release the switch. So this is a reset switch. Okay, press and hold till the GSM modem LED blinks slowly. Once it blinks very slowly, then release the switch, and then that indication is we are holding the microcontroller till the GSM modem got the signal. So once the GSM modem got the signal, then only the LED blinking on the GSM module will blink slowly. Okay, so now everything is normal. So abnormal nothing but when the voltage is less than 180 volts or above 245 volts is abnormal voltage, and whenever the current is above 155 milliamps of current, 150 milliamps of current, that is abnormal. And coming to the frequency, below 48 is a low frequency, above 52 is a high frequency. And temperature is, we set for temperature is a 40 degrees centigrade. Okay, so just I'm increasing temperature now. So when it crosses above 45, then high temperature, and the circuit breaker is on. So when it crosses the 45 degrees centigrade, and when it is below, it keep on sending the message, right? We receive the message alerts, high temperature now. And when it is below 45 degrees, it is normal again. But the circuit breaker won't auto reset. Why? Because so if is like malfunction got occurred, so if it auto resets, then who's the person is repairing over the section, he may get the electric shock. So in order to eliminate that, manual reset will be there instead of auto reset. Means whenever the abnormal detected, the system will send the message alerts and circuit breaker will be off. It's controlled. Then when it is normal again, it won't control the circuit breaker based on the auto reset. We need to do the manual reset to again make the circuit breaker to be controlled here. Okay, and whenever the voltage increases 245, then high voltage, and we are going to receive the message alerts in the mobile phone. Right, so we got the high voltage alert, and when it is normal again, below low voltage alert, we are making that. So every time, in order to resume the power supply to the circuit breaker, when the circuit breaker's power supply off, the circuit breaker supply will be means it will disable the power supply out from the grid station. And high current was completed, low voltage, high current done, and next, yeah, let's increase the high current. So 150 above, it crossed, then high current message alerts, and keep it normal in order to disable the system to keep on sending message alerts. Right, so we got the message alerts. Again, check with the frequency. Okay, so I'm increasing the frequency slowly. So when it crosses 52 above, then it is abnormal. There is nothing but high frequency alerts. So we are going to receive the messages here continuously. That's why we should have the SMS balance or main balance in our SIM card while demonstration of the project. Right. Okay, and coming to the low frequency also. We get the low frequency alert, right? So they are the message alerts we received based on the voltage, current, temperature, abnormality detection. Thank you.